beading friends, it's Gina from Orchid and Opal Jewelry and Beads, and I have my bargain bead box subscription for July 2018 sitting right here in front of me. I have not opened it up yet, so I'm very excited to unbag it or unbox it, if you will, with you guys, and we can share in the excitement to see what they've sent. So if you don't know, Bargain Bead Box, you can go on their website. All the information is down below in the information section as far as their website is concerned. But it is a monthly bead subscription or jewelry making subscription. They do send more than just beads, but it's only $15.95, and they say they send about $40 worth of jewelry supplies every month. And lately they've had a waiting list, so if you are interested, when they do open up that list, you might want to go ahead and sign up, because it did take me a couple months, I think, before I could finally join it. And I've heard lately that they have had a wait. And by the way, you might recognize these little fish, but we'll talk about that on a future jewelry update. It's a little sneak peek for you, a little teaser. In my ring. I had to wear them. I was really excited about this, but we'll talk about that another time. Anyway, Bargain Bead Box, July 2018. So, we have our package of goodies right here, and we have our letter, and on the back, as usual, we have our identification key that has everything listed out for us. But right now, let's see what it says. Our theme this month is Free Spirit. With a hint of bohemian inspiration, July's collection reflects a relaxed yet vibrant color scheme and a touch of earthiness and whimsy. Highlights include a full strand of aqua terra jasper, grade A Chinese crystal in bright colors, dreamy blue quartz, man-made druzy pendants, oh, I cannot wait to see those, and an on-trend assortment of golden findings and charms. So excited. Alright, so let me get to the list on the back and dump out the contents. And as usual, everything is sent in a very nicely packaged organza bag, which I love to save and then I reuse them, which is really nice. So let's see what this Free Spirit theme contains for us. Little boho bag. Seeing some very pretty colors so far on the side. Okay, you guys. Number one, it says 1 meter of 6x3mm steel Figaro jewelry chain. So, number one, everything's nicely labeled, so it is easy for us to identify what is what. So, some gold chain here, and I will take it out so you can see it. Very nice. I'm always happy to get chain because I do use a lot of chain, and it's just nice to have extra in the stash, not just beads but also chain findings. And I know I've said that before, but it is really nice. So cool. Very nice gold chain. And then number two, it says 2 pieces of 19 by 14mm cut glass crystal nugget beads. So number two, and let me see where that is, which is this right here. Those are neat. Cut glass crystal nugget beads. Wow, check out the color on those. And the shape is pretty sweet too. Wow. That's beautiful. Really nice. I will say, not sure if you can see it, but like the color, it looks like it might be kind of peeling up right there. But other than that, they're really cool. I think they'd make a really cool pair of statement earrings. And if anybody's looking that closely at them, they need to step back from you anyway, probably, because they're just a little too close in your business. But yeah, they're cute. They're really cute. All right. So number three 50 pieces of 4mm Chinese crystal bicone in Sun. So that's this right here. So some bright orange Chinese crystals, which you can tell I had fun with this bracelet, not to keep going back to it, but you know, kind of had fun with the orange and aqua recently, so kind of matches. Anywho, alright, back on task. 50 pieces of 4mm Chinese crystal bicone in light turquoise. That's 4. So more Chinese crystal bicones in our beautiful aqua color, which I love. I love that color. And Chinese crystal's not the best quality. They're not as uniform as Swarovski, you know, but I still like working with them in certain things. They can be difficult to use for bead weaving since they're not as uniform, but they're still very useful in projects to have. Alright, then we have number 5, which is a 50-piece 4mm Chinese crystal bicone in teal blue. So again, more bicones. Lovely teal. It's more of a green color. Right there. Alright. And number 6 is 1 piece of 34mm man-made quartz druzy pendant. Number 6. Okay, that's 9. Here's number 6. Oh, nice. I've been eyeing the druzies lately. You see them a lot right now. They're very in. That druzy. Can move it around so you get an idea of what it looks like. This is very pretty. This would make a really cool pendant. And it does sparkle slightly. You can see when the light hits it in certain ways. And I like that gold that is encasing it. So it's a very nice looking pendant. Beautiful. Okay, so number 7 is 2 pieces of 18 by 14mm man-made quartz druzy pendant. And that's these. Oh yeah, I like these a lot. I like these very much. So, more druzy pendants. Very cute. This one's definitely more clear or on the whiter side. This one's got some hints of greenish in it, and it's not as clear as you can see. But just like the pendant that we had there for number 6, it's kind of encased in this gold color. So, very cute. Those will be fun to play with. Alright, number 8 is 1 piece of Infinity Link. Get these back in the bag real quick. Okay, so number 8, Infinity Links. Oh, these are cute. Very, very cute. I have seen some bracelets recently, maybe on Pinterest, that use these. And, you know, not these specifically, but the same kind of infinity type of connector. And, you know, you can use some suede, some cording to wrap around. You can make a wrap bracelet. You can use a couple strands of seed beads. I mean, whatever you want, really. You can do chunky beads around it too, but it can make a cute bracelet with that being the focal. So that's just one idea. When I first saw these, I thought that that would make a cute little like set, or you could use one if you're making a bracelet set and then do some other bracelets that would coordinate with it. So I think that would be really cute. You see that a lot right now. Okay, so moving on, number 9 is 2 sets of toggle clasps, which I always need more of. So these look like just smaller, pretty small size, so good for a bracelet. Most definitely. Of course, you could use it for a necklace if you wanted to, but you know, just a basic gold toggle clasp set. Helpful to have, bulking up the clasp stash. Okay, so then number 10 is 2 pieces of 30mm triangle pendants. Okay. Oh, very cute. Very, very cute. And look, you guys, this actually kind of goes with the skirt that I have on today. Isn't that funny? I think it is. Alright, so this is what they look like up close. Pretty cool. Definitely boho also has kind of a southwestern vibe. They're very cute. I could see these being part of a really cute set of earrings or a pendant. I like those a lot. And now I might have to make something to go with my skirt. A long necklace or something. Those are really cute. Okay, number 11 is 15-inch strand of 6mm aqua terra jasper round beads, which are these. Look how cool these are. These are so pretty. Oh my goodness. So let me give you a nice close-up on them. You can zoom in and see all the cool colors that's in that jasper. Beautiful milky aqua, light aqua, cream. There's even some rust color, some tan. So those are really cool. And I had no idea how well these would coordinate with my background paper when I picked it out. Yeah, I really like those a lot. Those are really fun. Very cool. They're all a little different. It's always fun getting the gemstone beads in these boxes. Love the variety that Bargain Bead Box sends. And you really can't beat the price. It's an amazing price for a monthly bead subscription. Okay, and then number 12, 15-inch strand of 8mm blue sky or sky blue quartz dyed round beads. So these are dyed blue, 8mm, but they're stone, they're quartz. And look how gorgeous that color is. Beautiful. Really coordinates well with these jasper stones. You can see those making a really pretty bracelet set right off the bat. And I'll let you get up close on those so you can have a look. Can't tell, I think they do have a little bit of speckling in them. Wasn't sure if that wiped off, but no, it does look like some of them are a little bit speckled, which is cool. But nice long strand, just like the one before it, 15 inches. And we're down to our last 2 items, which 13 is 40 pieces of 7.5mm star bead caps, which is right here. And again, always great to have more bead caps sent. So looks like those would be, you know, just right for those aqua beads that you just saw. If you were doing something that might involve those beads, these bead caps would probably go well with those. They're very cute. That's a good amount, 40 pieces. It's pretty generous. Alright, and so we're already down to our very last item. Number 14, which is 3.2 millimeter round steel spacer beads, and there's 100 of those. So another good item to have around when you're doing jewelry is more spacer beads. So just basic gold, great to have. And it says the metal used is a lead-free pewter and zinc alloy. And it shows that the approximate total retail value for the July shipment, they're estimating at $57. And again, all this was only $15.95, which is an excellent price for beads and findings shipped directly to your door. You didn't even have to leave your house, and it's a fun surprise, and you get to you know, get a little bit more creative and use items that you were not expecting to receive and move out of your comfort zone and maybe make some things you didn't really expect to make, things you didn't think you know, you'd normally like, and then you put them together with other things and it surprises you, kind of like, you know, going back to the fish beads that I keep showing you. But anyway, sorry, they're just fun. They're just fun, but that's an example, I mean, you know, of why I like these boxes. You know, it's a fun surprise, of course. It's fun to open them up and see what they sent, but it also pushes your limits of creativity. It helps you think outside the box, and, you know, that's always fun to do. So I'm really happy with this cool Free Spirit boho box. The colors are really lovely, and I like how everything is coordinated together. I think probably my favorite items are going to be the druzy pendants. I really like these triangle pendants, and really like the jasper. I'm always pleased when I get the gemstones that they send in their boxes. So those would probably be my favorite items that we received. And, you know, I hope you stay tuned for my future videos. I do a lot of unboxings similar to this. I know I've gotten a lot of new subscribers over the past couple weeks, and I want to say welcome. I want to say thank you for being here. I'm really excited to have you. This is so much fun. I promise you I don't just hoard beads. I do make things with the beads that I get, and I do get a lot of questions about what do I make. So stay tuned. I will be doing future updates on finished jewelry pieces to help maybe spur some inspiration for you and give you some ideas of what I do with some of the items that I receive in the boxes. You know, and we can share and learn from each other and get ideas from each other on what we make. So thank you again for being with me, and I will see you hopefully on my next video. Bye-bye. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. I would also love for you to follow me on Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook, and Etsy. Orchid and Opal Jewelry. Thanks for watching.